Oopsies. No, now it's unfocused. And, yeah, this is my praying mantis eating, how do you, I always call them dubias. I think it's Dubai or something. Dubia?
I don't know.
Whatever, he's eating the roach. Actually, I think it might be a girl. Oh, shoot. Now I'm, like, out of focus. Oh, no. No. And, yeah. I just dropped that in there and he was all over it. Or she. And I just gave her water. And there's a bigger roach in the back that looks huge in the video, but it's not as huge as it looks right now. And then there's a couple small ones. And the small ones, smaller ones are the ones that he's eating right now. Like devouring. And it's just in a deli cup with the plant, and I clean it once a week and it seems pretty happy. And yeah. Oops. There I go on focusing the camera again. So yeah, he's pretty awesome.